For the following areas in Connecticut, northern Litchfield and southern Litchfield, winter storm warning remains in effect until 10 a.m. Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches expected. Where? Litchfield County. When? From 4 p.m. this afternoon to 10 a.m. Monday. Additional details: travel could be very difficult. Snowfall rates of up to 1 inch per hour are expected. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Here is the latest weather map discussion.
What the living H is going on?
For the following areas in Connecticut, Hartford, Tolland and Wyndham, and in Rhode Island, Washington, winter storm warning remains in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches. Where? Portions of northern Connecticut, western, central, eastern, northeastern, and southeastern Massachusetts, as well as all of Rhode Island. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Monday. Additional details: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. You are listening to Noah's All Hazards Radio.
Another one! Come on!
For the following areas in New York, Nassau and Suffolk counties, winter storm warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. Monday. What? Moderate to heavy wet snow along with some sleet and freezing rain, especially towards the southern coasts. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 7 inches expected. Total ice accumulations of a glaze. Amounts may be lower across the South Fork as rain mixes in late tonight. Where? Nassau and Suffolk counties of New York. When? Until 7 a.m. Monday. Additional details: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will impact those traveling tonight and the Monday morning commute. Heaviest snow expected late this evening into overnight.
There we go!
For the following areas in Connecticut, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex, and northern New London, winter storm warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. Monday. What? Moderate to heavy wet snow along with some sleet and freezing rain. Total snow accumulations of 7 to 9 inches expected. Total ice accumulations of less than 1/10 of an inch. Where? Northern New Haven, northern Middlesex, northern New London counties in Connecticut. When? Until 7 a.m. Monday. Additional details: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will impact those traveling tonight and the Monday morning commute. Heaviest snow expected late this evening into overnight.
Oh my, triple header! Here we go!
For the following areas in Connecticut, Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, southern New London, and the following areas in New Jersey, Passaic, Hudson, Bergen, Essex, Union, and the following areas in New York, Orange, Putnam,
This is a
Rockland,
big one.
Westchester, and all of New York City. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. Monday. What? Moderate to heavy wet snow along with some sleet and freezing rain, especially towards the southern coasts. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches expected. Total ice accumulations of a glaze. Where? Northeastern New Jersey, southwest and coastal Connecticut, the lower Hudson Valley, and New York City. When? Until 7 a.m. Monday. Additional details: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will impact those traveling tonight and the Monday morning commute. Heaviest snow expected mid to late this evening into overnight. Here's the latest weather map discussion. Chances for precipitation will increase tonight as an area of low pressure over the southeast United States intends. The precipitation.
Okay. So that was quite interesting, if you ask me.